Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin here. Make sure you have Luma 3DS and the Homebrew launcher ready, because Pksm needs that environment to run. Once done, put the Pksm file on the SD card or install via FBI. This gives you the executable in the Homebrew menu. You should also create a full save backup first. This avoids data loss if something goes wrong. Now, power into the Homebrew menu and launch Pksm. This step loads your game save, so you can view and edit party and boxes. Once Pksm is open, you will see boxes, party, Pokédex, and tools. Navigate with the D-pad and a to confirm, because precise selection avoids accidental edits. Use tools to import or export. PKM, PK7 or full. Save files from the SD card. This is how you transfer Pokémon between devices or restore backups. When editing, change species, moves, Roman 4 and EV spreads deliberately. Make small adjustments and save often. Since Pksm, to finish, save in Pksm and then return to the game to confirm your Pokémon appear and behave correctly. Checking held items, moves, and OT prevents surprises. If the game crashes or data seems wrong, immediately restore the backup you made earlier. That recovery path is why you backed up. Also, run Pksm checksum fix and refrain from online trading or ranked battles until you validate legality and stability, because flagged data can cause bans or desyncs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.